First, take a square piece of paper, then fold the top edge down to the bottom edge and crease well. Like this. Make the crease well. Then fold the right edge over to the left edge. Then make a little pinch at the top. Then unfold it. This is the pinch mark. Then fold the right side of the corner over to the left and align with the pinch mark. Like this. Then crease well. Now fold the left edge over to the right, align with the pinch mark. Crease well. Now open the right section and push down on the top point of the section and flatten it. Now open the left section, push down the top point of the section and flatten it. Now the organ base is ready.